Meet the tiny, mighty pollinators that shape our planet's ecosystems. The bees. These irreplaceable insects pollinate over 75% of the world's crop species. Their importance cannot be overstated, as they ensure the reproduction of countless plant species. From apples to zucchinis, bees are the unsung heroes of our food chain. Without them, many of our favorite fruits and vegetables would cease to exist. In fact, bees contribute to over $20 billion in global food production each year. But despite their vital role, bees are facing unprecedented threats to their populations. Pesticide use, habitat destruction, and climate change are just a few of the challenges they face. In fact, bee populations have been declining at an alarming rate of 30% over the past decade. This has significant implications for food security and the health of our ecosystems. We need to understand the intricacies of bee biology and behavior. And our food systems are stronger than ever.
It's a future where we can enjoy fresh, locally grown produce, knowing it was pollinated by healthy bees.
And our food systems are stronger than ever. Let's explore the fascinating world of bee communication and how they use complex dances to convey information. It's like a miniature version of human language, where bees use vibrations and scents to convey meaning. But that's not the strangest part. Bees can even recognize individual human faces and remember their scent. Wait until you hear what comes next. Scientists have discovered that bees can even solve simple math problems. Yes, you read that right. Bees have been shown to have a basic understanding of arithmetic and geometry. But how do they achieve this level of cognitive complexity? It's all about the intricate social structure of the hive, where bees work together to maintain a complex communication network. Each bee has a specific role to play, from forager to nurse, and they all work together in harmony. But what happens when this delicate balance is disrupted? In the event of a predator attack, bees will often form a defensive cluster to protect their colony. It's a remarkable display of cooperation and bravery, where individual bees put the needs of the colony first. And then something unexpected happened. Researchers discovered that bees can even learn from each other's experiences. This has significant implications for our understanding of bee intelligence and social behavior. But what does it mean for the future of our food systems and ecosystems? For centuries, humans have relied on bees for pollination, and their importance cannot be overstated. Now, as we face the challenges of climate change and food security, it's more important than ever to prioritize bee conservation. By understanding the intricate social structures of bee colonies, we can develop more effective strategies for protecting their populations, promoting sustainable bee-friendly practices. We can ensure the long-term health of our ecosystems. So, what can you do to help protect these incredible pollinators? Start by supporting local beekeepers and purchasing honey from sustainable sources. You can also plant bee-friendly flowers in your garden, which will provide a vital source of nectar and pollen for local bees. Every small action counts, and collectively, we can make a significant difference in the lives of these incredible insects. Want more mind-blowing facts about bees? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about bees. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.